friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will give you another unbiased review of an online store, that is Fasa.com. It is very famous in Pakistan and this website is actually doing the wonders there. It is selling different varieties of perfumes to their customer, but when you are not sure about this website, either this is legit or a scam, we will give you the review. Like, it is a very renowned perfume seller that offers its products at very reasonable prices, and the website has variety of perfumes, and the people of Pakistan are very crazy about the body mist, so this website has mentioned its honor name, and those are quite popular and renowned personalities in the country and have many followers. There are wide collection of perfumes like eternal perfume and luxurious perfume on the website available. It has genuine refund and shipping policy, but let's check its pros and cons. So if we check the positive point of this website, it is very good and it has variety of collection of body mist. Moreover, it provides some of its item on sale purpose that too in low price. The pictures of each products are well categorized and the trust score of this website holds an average mark. But when we check the negative point of this website, we have found that there are mixed Fasa.com reviews for the website. Some details are questionable, like no exchange policy or refund guarantee, and there is more than half content of this website is copied. There is only one way of payment method, that is through cash on delivery. So the question we have in mind, is the website genuine? So we need to clear some points regarding the site to recommend either it's a legit or a scam website. So first of all, we will check its age. The website has its brand creation date as of mentioned 6 November 2020. The domain was registered till 6 November 2022. Although not so young, this website has an average trust score of only 33%, but we are unable to confirm either it's legit or a scam. Let's check some more points. We have found that the content of this website have been copied and plagiarism content is nearly 75%. So we have found the owner of this website is Komal Rizvi, Hassan Rizvi and Saad Saeed Khan. There are pages of this website on the Facebook and Insta, and it has gained many followers through valuable posts. There is no online payment mode available, however we can buy through cash on delivery only, and the trust rank of this website is average, which is 38.1 out of 100, and we are unable to find reviews about this website on, but we can find the reviews on Facebook. So when we check out the thorough of the website, we have much done the research for you people and found no remarks on the website, but we found mixed reviews on its social media page. So if we are wrap our conclusion, so we consider the website we are talking about sells body mist and in various fragrances available at discounted value, and the website has mixed reviews, but there are many followers on the social media with average trust score and rank. So the website is appears to be a genuine, but we suggest our viewers to make a good effort in knowing the details of this website and then take your decision that either to buy the product from this website or not.